Hello everybody, today I will be doing my fortune cookie unboxing. Now let's get into it. Fortune cookie number one. Yes, fortune cookie number one. Fortune cookie unboxing number one. Let's go. What's inside? What's inside Mua's fortune? What's inside my fortune cookie? Okay, hopefully everybody can see. Oh yeah. This good. Learn Chinese expensive. Expensive. Chinese is gonna be expensive. Oh, okay, everybody. Go means expensive, and what is it? Chinese. Okay. The work will teach you how to do it. Okay. Wait. The work will teach you how to do it. How to do what? It. The clown will teach you to do it. Now it's time to eat the fortune cookie. This fortune cookie tastes very good. I'll rate a solid 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. It has a citrus flavor, meaning it's like an orangey flavor. Okay. Tastes really good. Fortune cookie number 2. I never thought that I would be eating in front of my camera in my life, but I know. Okay. Here's a fortune cookie. To get the full experience, yeah. Here's the fortune cookie. It looks good. I'm gonna open it. Oh, what is it? Be full. Bao. Be full in Chinese means bao. Okay. Best exercise for the heart is to reach down and help someone up. Okay. I'm gonna reach down. Now I'm gonna help this blanket, so I'm a good person. Woo! Time to eat this. And it tastes the exact same, so that's good. Okay. I feel bao right now.